Did you know that simply changing your speaking style can win a girl's heart? According to several studies, men with high charisma are more attractive to women, and they have a distinctive speaking style that most other men lack. In this video, I'll share 3 speaking styles that, if you can apply when talking to girls, will significantly boost your charisma in their eyes. As a result, the girl will feel excited and attracted to you, essentially falling in love. Let's get started. Rule 1. Use convincing words. When speaking to a girl, choose words that show you are optimistic, positive, and confident in what you're saying. This is the key to the great men in history who appeared charismatic and different from most other men. For example, when talking to a girl, don't say, "I might succeed." Instead, say, "I believe I can do it." The idea is to eliminate words like might, maybe, and probably. If you are always optimistic, assertive, and confident, a girl will instinctively be attracted to you because she sees you as a potential leader, someone strong and capable of protecting her as a partner. Rule 2. Use a high-to-low tone. Notice how world leaders with strong characters, who are seen as authoritative men, always use a high-to-low tone when speaking. This makes their words sound assertive, strong, and influential. For an easy example, watch or search on YouTube for the character Thomas Shelby in the show, Peaky Blinders, who often uses a high-to-low tone when talking to others. If you use this speaking tone like Thomas Shelby, your words will sound more intimidating, making your listener feel your strong character. Additionally, your masculinity will shine through because of the deeper tone, and girls, when faced with a man who speaks in a high-to-low tone, will instinctively feel attracted. Rule 3. Speak slowly and use pauses. When you speak too quickly and hastily, no matter how big your muscles are, a girl will see you as weak because talking too fast shows nervousness and a lack of confidence in your own words. On the other hand, when you speak slowly and use pauses, people, including girls, will feel that every sentence you say has been well thought out. Your words will sound more substantial and credible. Girls will see you as a man who doesn't just talk for the sake of talking but always uses his brain when speaking. Alright, try practicing these 3 speaking styles when talking to girls. Use convincing words, speak in a high-to-low tone, and speak slowly with pauses. You'll see for yourself how they respond to you. Good luck.